Judge Hensley created an innovative solution for reconciling her religious beliefs along with serving the needs of her local community. And for that, the State Commission on Judicial Conduct has now issued a public warning against her behavior. This all started back when Obergefell was decided by the Supreme Court of the United States, causing a lot of judges and justices of the peace here to re-examine whether or not they would even do marriages anymore. Many of them have religious convictions against performing same-sex weddings, and so they don't really know what to do. They don't want to violate their religious conscience, but nor do they want to be an obstacle to people in their local community. And so because it's not an official duty of theirs, they can perform marriages, they don't have to. Many elected to just stop doing weddings altogether. Judge Hensley did too for a little while, but that didn't seem right to her, that other people would have to be denied a service just to accommodate her religious convictions. And so she came up with what I think is a good solution, and she would provide a referral list of those that she could not marry, whether that was just because her schedule didn't allow it or because it was against her religious convictions to perform that wedding ceremony. And so people would just have to walk about 3 blocks down the street to a walk-in wedding chapel, and they would receive the same services there that they would in Judge Hensley's own courtroom, and for the same price. But someone got word about this at the State Commission on Judicial Conduct. Now, mind you, no one ever complained about this service ever happening. Instead, the commission took it upon themselves to investigate this matter and ultimately decided that Judge Hensley was violating the canons of judicial conduct in some manner. Judge Hensley should not be punished for simply trying to accommodate anybody who wanted to get married in her community to be able to get married in her community. Instead, we've now had to go and file a lawsuit to say that the Texas Religious Freedom Restoration Act doesn't permit the state of Texas to punish a justice of the peace like Judge Hensley for just trying to help people get married.